Hi guys, this is Tej Singh again from Toronto, Canada. Today I will teach you Kahrwa Qawwali style. It's a very easy lesson and you should master this lesson too. A lot of faster song, ghazal, Qawwali, you can play this lesson. I'm just going to review the previous lesson was Ghe, Ta, Ti, Na, Ta, Di, Na. That's for the medium speed. One more time. Ghe, Ta, Ti, Na, Ta, Di, Na. So the faster one goes Ghe, Ta, Ti, Na, Ta, Di, Na, Ghe, Ta, Ti, Na, Ta. Now the faster than this one, we cut the lesson to like Ghe, Ti, Na, pause. Pause is you just say in your mind. So Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, so Di, Na. So 4 clap, watch it. Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, Di, Na. Ghe, left hand. Ghe, Ti, Na, Ti, black one, Na, here. So for the newer tabla student, just watch this one as a clock. So if you go Ti, Ti is more like around 8 o'clock. Ti, and make sure this finger is up. Ti, Na. So first off, Ghe. So make sure you say A. Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, Di, Na. This is the short form of the previous lesson I taught you. Ghe, Ta, Ti, Na, Ta, Di, Na. So this lesson becomes Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, Di, Na. Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, Di, Na. Now the faster one. Ghe, Ti, Na, pause. Ghe, Ti, Na, pause. You can play this one very well in the Qawwali style. Ghe, Ti, Na, pause. Ghe, Ti, Na, pause. Ghe, Ti, Na, pause. All those previous filler will work. Ghe, Ti, Na, pause. Ghe, Ti, Na, pause. I just play Kede, Na, Kede, Kete, Take, Ta, Kede, Kete. This is more like a universal filler. Kede, Na, Kede, Kete, Take, Ta, Kede, Kete. Ghe, Ti, Na, pause. Ghe, Ti, Na, pause. Ghe, Ti, Na, pause. Ghe, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ghe, Ti, Na, pause. 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 Second one, start from Ta, Ghe. So just the first word Ghe become Ta, Ghe. Everything else is same. Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, Di, Na. Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, Di, Na. Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, Di, Na. So Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, Di, Na. What you should do, just play first half. Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na. Master this one. Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, 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 Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na. So lesson is Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, nothing. You just say in your mind. Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, Di, Na. Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, Di, Na. Ti, Na, pause, Di, Na, Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, Di, Na. Some of the Sai bhajan I sang, I play this beat. So Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, Di, Na. Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, pause. This Ghe, you have to change the sound, change the notes. Let me explain to you. This is more like if it's a lower pitch. Now if I press it here, I'm going to press from here, this one, and the notes become different. Let me show you. One, and this go. See the sound change now? What I'm doing, I'm just pressing here. So if I just press it here, just to show you, and the sound change. So Ta, Ghe, you have to press it here, right here. And make sure your wrist right here on this black circle. A lot of newer tabla students, they do mistake. They put their hands too far from here. Make sure right here. So then you don't have to work too hard. Ta, Ghe, not Ghe. So make sure Ta, Ghe is Ta, Ghe. When I say Ta, Ghe, you have to press it here. Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, pause. So, Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na. So both hands I'm playing. Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, Ti, Na. Ti, Na, pause, Di, Na. Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, pause, Di, Na. So Ta, Ghe, Ti, Na, pause. Pause. original lesson. So they did some kind of filler. You should play it. Filler more like a bridge, from you going to the one side to the other side there. So we started here, the previous lesson. Ghe, ti, na, pause, di, na. Then we change here. So ta, ghe, ti, na, pause, di, na. Now you need to go back here. So what you need to do more like a bridge. From here, you go here. So you need to play any toda. Kidna terikit ta gita terikit. Or the easy one, ghetak, ghetak, ta. For the newer student, you will have a lot of trouble with the tirikit. So don't get frustrated. You can play the easy lesson first. So ghetak, ghetak, ta. So ghetak, ghetak, ta. I think I explained in the previous lesson, but I will show you again. Ghe, left hand, tak. Ghetak, this finger up, this second, third finger here, right in the center. Don't go that far. Another student, the newest kids or student, what they do, they start to playing right here. See, I covered the whole black circle here. So just play up to here, just half of that one. And lot of students, they use powder. Don't use this one. You need to use powder on your hands there. If you put right on the tabla there, then it's accumulated and you won't get the open sound. You get the open sound now. So always put powder on your hand, or you can put on the paper, but try avoid putting powder on the tabla itself. So ta, ghe, ti, na, pause, di, na. Ta, ghe, ti, na, pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ghe, ti, na, pause. Ghe, ti, na, pause. Now for the company, there's the tips there. Let's say if 2 or 3 singers singing and you play ghe, ti, na, pause. It's worked very well. But let's say, there's 20 people singing, 30 people singing, then nobody will be able to hear your tabla. So now you got to change the position on the hand there. Same lesson, ghe, ti, na, pause, di, na. Ghe, ti, na, pause, di, na. Now I'm going to change the hand. Ghe, ti. So this will come ti, na. Na, ti, na, ti. Second, third finger here. Na, ti, na. So ti, na, ti, na. Now for the new student, what they will do, they play ti, and this finger goes up there. So you got to make sure when you play ti, and when you come back, this middle ring finger stay down there. Ti. If you play with the third finger up, the sound change. It become tun or thin sound. So ti, and this finger goes up, and na. So ti, na. So the original lesson was ghe, ti, na, pause, di, na. So you change the position. The right hand, ghe, still same, ti, na. Pause, still the same. Di, na become di, na. Again, so ti, na, and di, na. Ti, na, di, na. So the whole lesson become ghe, ti, na, pause. Ghe. You can lift your hand, it's okay. Ghe. Normally you don't lift our hand, higher. And this lesson is okay. Ghe, ti, na, pause. Ghe, ti, na, pause. But not too high. Bring your hand down. Ghe, ti, na, pause. Na, pause. Ghe, ti, na, pause. Ghe, ti, na, pause. Also same thing. Ta, ghe, ti, na, pause. Di, na. Ghe, ti, na, pause. Ghe, ti, na, pause. Now when you starting the lesson, the advanced student, they can play. But what about the newer one? So what you should do, once you know the timing, the tempo, 1, 2, 3, 4, just count in your mind. 1, 2, 3. On the 4, just play ta, and it's become short filler there. So 1, 2, 3, ta. Ghe, ti, na, pause. Ghe, ti, na. I'll show again. 1, 2, 3, ta. 1, 2, 3, ta. 1, 2, 3, ta. 1, 2, 3, ta. Ghe, ti, na, pause. Ghe, ti, na, pause. The next lesson, very easy, but it will make you tired, so don't play for too long. Dha, dha, ta, 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 dha, ta. everything here. 7 o'clock, da or da, da, ta, 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 da, ta, da, ta, 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 da, ta. Faster one. Play just for this become more like a variation, kind of interesting thing. Da, 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 da. Another one, faster one, dha, ta, tin. Make sure this sound is open, not thin. You can play that too, but I like this way. So, dha, ta, tin. That's the first half. Dha, ta, tin, ta, dha, tin. Dha, ta, tin, ta, dha, tin. Watch the ring finger here. Dha, ta, tin, this finger up. When I come back, it's still touching the tabla. Make sure you do that. Put the third finger down there, ring finger down. Dha, ta, tin, ta, dha. Anytime you're playing dha, ta, this ring finger, this should be down. Otherwise, it will become a different sound. Dha, ta, tin, ta, dha, tin, dha, ta, tin, ta, dha, tin. Faster. I know a lot of students, a lot of players will get trouble with this lesson. So I'll make the easier version too. Dha, ta. Instead of tin here, I'm going to play ti here. Dha, ta, ti. So dha, ta, ti. Ta, dha, ti. Dha, ta, ti. Ta, dha, ti. Dha, ta, ti. Ta, dha, ti. Faster. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. This won't make you tired, and it's easier compared to this sound. So da, 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 da. You can interchange between da, 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 da. The other version, da 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 da. Slow down. Da 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 da. So first version, da da da. And remember the last one was ta da da. In between we're playing ta ta ta. One more time, ta ta ta. So the beginning, ta ta ta. Second one, ta ta ta. Third, ta ta ta. Fourth, ta da ta. That's the second variation for the faster one. So the first one, ta 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 da ta. Variation is da ta 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 ta. Faster, da ta ta ta. The other one, da ta ti ta da ti, da ta ti ta da ti, da ta ti ta da ti. Try to play other way, da if you can, da da ti. If you get trouble, then change to da ta ti ta da ti. Is a pause. Da 1 2 da 3 da da 3 da da 3 da. Again. Da 1 2 da 3 da da 3 da da 3 da. Okay guys, that's it for today's lesson. I had a lot of requests for the qawwali beats and some faster ones. So Here we cover the Qawwali style rhythm and the faster one. Enjoy, work hard, and happy learning, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Thanks for watching the movie. Take care. Bye.